Okay, so the most important things for me right now, I put 2 bandages in here. I put one thing, I think it's 25 feet of jute twine. I don't know what you're talking about, whatever. Then I took the other one for my, what do you call it? It's like a blade. I can sharpen that easily, and I'll have like a little bit of whatever, and a striker. I will, since I always have my paracord blades on, I will always have a fire source, no matter what. So yeah, this is gonna be a kit. Yeah, I'll probably have more stuff in here I can put. Do I have alcohol prep pads? Actually, I should. Let me find those quick. I'm putting 3 alcohol prep pads in here. I will be putting some safety pins when I could. Oh, I know what they are. So it's gonna be. I'm putting some fishing hooks in here, no matter what. Even though I have one right here, like in that. I'll put some duct tape in here too, which is something I want to put in here. So that's gonna be. I'm gonna put a. Actually, you know what? I have this too, so I can. This is just gonna be a backup to what I would have. As you see, I do have a lighter. I do have the Joe Flowers signature cord, which is a bushcraft type cord. You can use this as an awl, I believe. I can use this to make whatever I need, and I have 2 spin remover and all that. So I have hunting fish right here. Plus, yeah, some mints. I have. This is basically just gonna be an accessory to my tins, honestly. I have that, so it's pretty cool. And here for my EDC flashlight is this. Pretty much, it's the Stealth Angel one. I do have a few batteries for it, so yeah, this is just my 10. I'm doing for just carrying purposes. Let's see here. So yeah, what I do is I got the other one of these, the one I took this out. I could put this in here just for whatever. I could do that. Let me do that. Yeah, I decided to get the other one from the these other paracord weights I have, because this has like a scraper, another or serrated blade for a little bit of cutting. That and just the basic little things I'm not going to use. It has like a little. This is a can opener, and it is sharp, so it will open a can. So yeah, I might as well put this in here too, because I'm trying to make this into a do-all kit basically. If I have this, on awareness, I'm pretty good. So yeah. So what do y'all think so far? Any suggestions of what I should put in here? I do carry a lighter with me no matter what. But I could put whatever. I could put these in here too. These are nice to have. But yeah. Anyway. Any suggestions? If y'all want, I could put in some of these in here. These are Uko matches. UCO matches. I've actually had both. Being said, I think I should. But yeah. I'm going to try to find. Oh, I know they are. I know exactly where the hooks I want are. I'm going to put the hooks in here. You know. Pretty sure this one, where'd it go? Oh god, where'd it go? Well. I mean, I have my hunting down for that, and I can use this as a spear also. So I got my hunting, I got my fishing pretty much good. Yeah. So any suggestions? Anyway, Postbox Owl, Recycling Wasteland, God bless and peace. If God is for us, who could be against us? Peace.